All right, I want to talk about circumference. Circumference is the distance, so we're talking about, inches, miles, feet, centimeters, around a circle. Think about it as, if you want to think about perimeter, right? When you have a circle, it's as if you were walking around. It's actually biblical. If you look at 1 Kings 7:23, it actually appears as rounded in the Bible. But think about this like a coffee can. You got a coffee can, and you're going to take string, and you're going to go all across the middle. That's called the diameter, right? The distance from opposite sides, a cord, a segment goes all the way through the middle of the circle. We're going to cut that bad boy. And the reason we're using string is so we can bend it. We're going to start from right here, and I'm going to start tapping. It's a coffee can. So let's tap, 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 tap. It's a cut string. I don't know, ends about there, right? Give or take. Where it ends, I'm going to start again. Tap, 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 right? It's cut. It's going to end, I don't know, maybe about there, give or take, right? We'll start it one more time. Tap, 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 tap. It's going to end right about there. Just barely bigger than 3. I'm going to talk about a number that we probably know. Pi. 3.141592, blah, 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 right? Never repeating, never any decimal. Where it comes from is how many times that diameter, how many times that string, right? The string goes through the middle, goes around the circle. That's why circumference equals your diameter times pi. That diameter times 3.141592. That's how you get the distance around. Now, think about it as your diameter is your radius twice, right? Radius on each side. So there the radius is, that's cutting that string in half, right? So I have 2, 4, 6.1411, right? That's why it's also the same as 2r times pi. Both of those are literally saying the same thing because it just comes from the fact that your radius or your diameter is just double your radius. But both of those have to do with how many times the radius or the diameter go around that circle.